to record calls on the Samsung Galaxy S26, we get actually three methods, but they are not available for everyone because, sometimes the Samsung disable this recording feature, call feature, due to the privacy laws. So first of all, you have to just open your phone dialer, click on the three dots in the right upper corner. Now you have to go for the settings, and here, if this feature is supported in your region, you should find here call recording extension. In my case, it's not available because in the European Union we don't have this feature. So I have to go back. Sometimes when you make a phone call or answer to the phone call, on the call screen you can find that record button. But if it is still not available, you will have to go for a Google Play Store and search for call recorder application, like for example the Cube ICR. And after you install it, you will be able to record any incoming and outgoing phone call. But you have to remember that it's not like super safe because you are giving permission into all of your calls information in the real time to this developer. So we don't know who is listening and how they are storing all of those information. So that's it. But I can just show you that there is an application, but I wouldn't actually recommend you to install it. But if you really need, you can do this, but on your own risk.